Hey everyone, welcome to VGS World. This is a quick unboxing video of an external hard drive from Toshiba. It's Toshiba Canvio ready. Here is the paper package which I have received from Flipkart. I'll leave the product link in the description. If you like the product, go and check it out. I got the external hard drive along with the bill inside the package, nothing else. It's a 1TB hard drive. I got it for 3,500 change during a flash sale. This hard drive is very compact and very lightweight. Honestly, I'm surprised to see a made in Singapore product after a long time. Inside the box we have got a couple of user manuals, hard drive itself and the data transfer cable. It's very compact in size, as I said before. It's so small that it fits into my palm perfectly.